Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet these cute little butterfly rings. This tutorial will take less than 30 minutes to make it, and it's super cute and such an easy thing to do. So to make this you'll need a 3.5 size hook and also 2 different coloured yarns. So to make the butterfly we'll need to make 4 wings. We're going to first start making the wings that will be on the top. You'll need to first create a magic ring and then chain 1. After this you will need to chain 2. So 1, 2. Now we'll need to do 3 double crochets into the magic ring. So put yarn onto your hook, pull through yarn, and then pull through 2 strands, and then pull through the other 2 strands, and that's 1 double crochet. So now onto the next double crochet, pull through again, and we're going to do our last double crochet into the magic ring. Next you'll need to chain 2, so that's 1, 2, and then you'll need to slip stitch back into the magic ring. Now we have made 1 wing for the butterfly. We need to make another one for the 2 top wings. So we're just going to repeat the process. So we will need to chain 2 again, so that's 1 chain, then a second one, and then 3 double crochets back into the magic ring. After this you'll need to chain 2 and then slip stitch back into the magic ring. Don't mind it, I'm just fighting with this string over here for some reason. Okay, now that we've done the 2 top wings of the butterfly, we're going to do the 2 bottom wings. So first you'll need to chain 1 and then do 3 double crochets back into the magic ring. After the 3rd double crochet, chain 1 and then slip stitch back into the magic ring. That is 1 bottom wing done. We'll need to repeat this process for the second one. So chain 1 again and then 3 double crochets back into the magic ring. So after the last double crochet you'll need to chain 1 and then slip stitch back into the magic ring. Now we've made all 4 wings, we can close the ring. So you can do this by pulling on the string. This way we'll close the hole in the middle and there won't be one anymore. So this is what your butterfly will look like. The top 2 wings will be big and the bottom ones will be small. Now you'll need a different colour yarn for the ring. So first create a slip knot. Then you will need to chain 11. I did 11 chains for my finger size, but you can just chain as much as you need depending on your own finger size. Okay, so this is how mine looked after 11 chains. And now you'll need to slip stitch back into the first chain you created. So now for the second round you'll need to chain 1 and then single crochet all around the ring. So in my case that would be 10 single crochets, but that would be different depending on your own finger size. After your final single crochet, you'll need to slip stitch back into the first single crochet you created and then fasten off the ends. Make sure to leave a long tail for sewing, as we'll need this for the body of the butterfly. And this is just me fastening off the ends and leaving a long tail. Okay, so now that we have made the ring and the butterfly, it is time to attach the two. So this will be very minimal sewing. So first, get the ring, and then the long tail that we left, pull it through a needle. Then you'll need to place the butterfly on the top of the ring, making sure the 2 wings on the top are the big ones. So you'll need to start sewing from the bottom of the butterfly into the middle hole that we did to close the ring, as it's shown here. And then I just repeat that to make sure that there's a thick line in the middle, and just like that, from the bottom through the middle. Okay, so after we've done the bottom line, we'll need to do the same at the top. We'll need to sew from the top through the middle, as it is shown here. And then repeat that again to make it a thicker line. If yours does this as well, you can just place it in the middle and it will be the same. Okay, so now we need to do the little antennas. So you're going to pull the needle through the middle of the yarn at the top, like it is shown here. Okay, so now we're going to put the yarn through the top line twice, creating a loop. So that's the first loop, and it's going to be tight, and the second loop is going to be very big and loose. So we need to make sure we stretch it out, just I am doing here. And then put the needle through the middle to fasten it off. I like to tie at the back as well to make sure it's extra secure. So after I've tied the knot on the back, you can cut off the extra yarn off. So this is how it will look after you have hidden all the extra yarn. Now I'm going to cut through the middle loop. Make sure it's through the middle so you can have the little cute antennas, and make sure it's from the middle so it will be both the same size. Okay, and now your ring is done. You can put it on your finger. I had originally done this for my ring finger, so it's struggling currently right now. But this is the end result, and I really hope you guys liked it. I can't wait to see all you guys' creations. So these are my other ones I've made, all cute and different colours. I love the pink and white and the pink and green combination the most. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe to make sure you can see more crocheting tutorials, and I can't wait to see all of you guys' creations. Thank you.